Hi everyone, this is Andrea. I'm just doing a daily review of what we did for my son's homeschool. He's in the 3rd grade and 8 years old. He goes to the Kumon Academy, so he did his reading homework, which is actually on his iPad. We're working through Math 3 from The Good and the Beautiful, and today we actually got to use the math box. We did a math game today with multiplication, so we used the dice and then these little pieces for that, and then he used these. We also listened to musical multiplication. That's starting to be a part now of Math 3, so you're supposed to listen to it. The lesson will prompt you what to do. And then we're working through the Reading Booster C cards from The Good and the Beautiful. He is in the Language Arts Level 2 from them. In between school, we actually were making these. They came out really good. It's all in a bag, everything you need. We got it at World Market. They're apple fritters, and then there's like a little pack in there for you to make the glaze. So super simple, easy, and tasty. That worked out good. He only has 2 pages left in this level 2 handwriting from The Good and Beautiful, so he did that while I read to him, and we're working on this read aloud Dr. Dolittle from Bookshark. So I read 2 chapters from this while he did that, and 8 scones, and then he finished this. We've read this a couple times, but it was like his final easy reader, something for him for easy review, and now we're going to donate it because we actually have moved on to, I think, like the level 3 reader. So this was the first one, my first African reader. They have my first, I think, nature reader, and then it's like level 2, and now he's on level 3. So that was just something easy for him to read. I think that was it. See you tomorrow.